Swiss Army Knife, model Huntsman. The first blade is the small utility blade. It could be used for a precise work. It's very sharp. The second blade is a larger variation of this one. It can be used for a lot of purposes, any kind of light knife work. It's very thin, but it's very sharp. The third is a saw blade. It's very good for branches and small wood pieces. It's actually very good. It holds its edge. This one has cut it a little bit, but it doesn't change. The next one are scissors. Very good, very good. They can cut off fingernails, no problem. Now we have a screwdriver. It can be put in this position or this position. A can opener, very good too. It's very sharp. Bottle opener, it could be used for a lot of purposes. It could drill a hole in a soft wood. The hook, there is probably some use for it. I didn't use it. And this small blade it could be used for poking holes in leather. Every Swiss Army knife has tweezers and a toothpick. Tweezers are very good. You can use them for splinters, for a lot of purposes, but a toothpick, it's not too good. It's very flimsy. After all, not a too bad knife. It's more a tool. It's more a tool. It has everything on it for some light work, and that's it.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about. Have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell